Now, one of the challenges you face is that when you're to solve some problems, you are not just facing just one challenge per time. And it becomes very important for you to solve these problems as fast as possible. So I'll be showing you how to add these two fractions now in a method that is faster, where we eliminate having to convert these fractions into another equivalent fraction that has the same denominator. So how would we do that? Solution. You will still need the LCM of the denominators. So you have to find LCM of 3 and 7. Now, in a case where you see that the two denominators do not have a common factor, the LCM is just the product of the two of them. That is, the LCM in this case is just 3 multiplied by 7. And that will give you 21. So now that we have our LCM, which is 21, we can then go on to solve this. So we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 7. This will now become, now, at the denominator position, you would write the LCM where you have 21 now. So we have 21 here. The next thing you want to do is 21, which is the LCM, divided by the denominator of the first fraction, which is 3. And then whatever you get, you multiply it by the numerator, which is 2. Then you apply this sign, which is plus. Then we repeat for the second fraction. That is, this time we have 21 divided by 7. And then we multiply that by 3. Let me recap this so you do not get it confused. We say the LCM divided by the denominator of the first fraction, that's in the brackets. Then you multiply by the numerator of that same fraction. Then the plus sign, and then the same LCM again, divided by the denominator of the second fraction, in bracket, multiplied by the numerator of the second fraction. Now let's solve this. 21 divided by 3 will give us 7. So we have 7 multiplied by 2 plus, in this second case, we have 21 divided by 7, which will give us 3. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 over 21. Now, what is 7 multiplied by 2? That is 14 plus 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9 over 21. This will then give us 14 plus 9, and that is 23. So we have 23 over 21, which will now convert into mixed fraction. And 21 will go in 23 just once. Remainder 2 over 21. Therefore, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 7 is one whole number, 2 over 21. You can practice this with other fractions, and you'll see that you always get the same answer with the first method. Thank you.